The Rexall crowd on its feet. A chance to take the lead. Hall backhand scores! Taylor Hall, his fourth goal of the season.
That's all it is. Little move, simple backhand, slide it through the wickets. It's that quick backhand, knowing what the goalie's going to do, what the goalie's options are. I'm going to make one little move, go lateral. That means he's got to push and he's going to open up for a split second. And Taylor Hall exploits it. That's a, as they like to say in this league, a goal scorer's goal.